Hello, let's say an English sound story. Let's take a magic mirror, and say and draw a magic forest. What's that? It's a dragonfly. What is it doing? Is it flying or running? It is flying. Say, it is flying. What does it say? It says, and it flies away. What's that? It's a bee. What is it doing? Is it running, flying, or jumping? It's flying. Say, it's flying. It's flying like this. It flies away. What's that? It's a frog. What is it doing? Is it jumping or flying? Say, it is jumping. What does it say? It says, w, 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 w. It jumps away. What's that? It's a hedgehog. What is it doing? Is it flying, running, or jumping? Say, it is running. What does it say? It says, it runs away. What's that? It's a tiny bird. Tiny bird. What is it doing? Is it flying or singing? Say, it is singing. How is it singing? It's singing like this. Ear, ear, ear. Say, it's singing like this. Ear, ear, ear. It flies away. What's that? It's a big bird. It's a huge bird. Say, it's a huge bird. What is its name? It's an owl. It's an owl. What does it say? It says, ooh, ooh, ooh. What is it doing? Is it singing or sitting? Say, it is sitting. And it flies away. Who is he? Is he a girl or a boy? Say, he is a boy. Is he happy or afraid? Say, he's afraid. What does he say? He says, I. Say, what's the matter? В чем дело? What's the matter? A big bear is coming. Say, a big bear is coming. What does he say? He says, er. Look. He is brave and strong. He is brave and strong. What does he say? He says, The bear is afraid. It runs away. Is he afraid or amazed? Oh, say, he is amazed. He says, oh. Is he sad or happy? Look, he is happy. What does he say? He says, A. Is he tapping or clapping? Say, he's tapping. He is tapping like this. What is he doing? Is he tapping, clapping or playing. Say, he is playing. He is playing with a car. He is playing like this. D. Take a car, put on the hill, and go down. D. Faster. D. Faster. D. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.